Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure. So let's talk about some fall products that you have to try. Honestly, all of our products are amazing, but these are especially good because they are seasonal. So, think about even if you're looking to buy a Christmas present for somebody. Yes, I know it's not even September yet, and I'm talking about Christmas, but I actually start to do my Christmas shopping now. So I'm thinking about that. But there are some amazing products that we can give to other people and they will fall in love with Epicure. So some of the best sellers are our hot chocolate. So when people think about Epicure, they probably think about, well, like seasonings, herbs, spices, cookware. But our hot chocolates are honestly amazing and so much less sugar than what's out there in the store. Like as an example, the cocoa berry, which is so good, has 9 grams of sugar, which yes, there is still obviously sugar in there. It's going to happen. But typically they have 30, sorry, it's kind of hard to see. They have 30 grams of sugar in the store or more. So if you're going to give yourself some hot chocolate, your kids hot chocolate, go the healthier way. I like to add milk with my hot chocolate. I use about 2 tablespoons with mine, and it's so good. You can use milk, water, up to you. Our dark and dreamy is probably the best seller of our hot chocolates because it's been around the longest, and it has 11 grams of sugar overall. But you guys, so good. We have a peppermint matcha hot chocolate, which I thought I had with me, but that's in my kitchen because I have some every night. I'm that person where I like to have a cup of something warm at nighttime. I don't know what it is. If I have coffee, I might not be able to sleep very well, so I have hot chocolate and it's just perfect. It's like a dessert and something warm all in one, so it's excellent. A couple other things that you guys have to try, okay? So we have a new pumpkin spice loaf and muffin mix. Tastes so good. If you guys go to the store and get cupcakes or muffins that are gluten-free, you will be paying probably 3 times as much and they don't taste very good. Trust me, I have tried things. I was on a major health kick a couple years ago where, I just wanted some dessert of some kind. I went to Goodness Me. I don't know if you guys had that store where you live, and I literally spent $12 on 2 muffins and they didn't even taste good, but I kind of needed something, right? This comes in a pack of 2 for $10 and makes about 24 muffins. I mean, depending on the size of your muffins, but can we say cost effective? You can eat healthy and still have a little treat every once in a while. And these are amazing, you guys, and so easy to make. I'm going to upload a video on how to make this later on. You will die. It's so good. And a couple different things that I wanted to point out. So these are also seasonal. Our baked apple and cran apple cinnamon dip mixes. You know what you could do, and this is what I do in the morning. I have a piece of toast with plain cream cheese, and I add this or this on top. So if you go to the store and get those cream cheese with different things in them, like they have a chocolate even now. They have a chocolate cream cheese, they have a strawberry cream cheese, and they do taste amazing, but they're so unhealthy for you. There's so much sugar, so much artificial stuff in there, and these don't have anything artificial in them. So much healthier for you and tasty. If you go to the store and try to look for a baked apple cream cheese, you're not going to find it. Whoops. Epicure has it right here. If you're looking for a cran apple cinnamon cream cheese, you're not going to find it. Epicure has it right here. I use these for everything. If I want to make a fruit dip of some kind, I have put these on my carrots to just kind of add something a little bit extra. I have put this on my chicken to add something a little bit extra. Do they give any other ideas here? You can make ice pops, cool. And just for like seasonings in like pancakes, cookies, you could even add this to your pumpkin spice loaf. That would be pretty good. You need these, okay, you guys? You need a dip mix. What else can I talk about, oh my goodness, these have changed my life. So we do have 3 different types. I don't know where my third one is, but these are basically seasoning you would add to your nuts. If you don't want nuts, or if you're obviously allergic, add them to chickpeas. Tastes so good, and chickpeas are so healthy for you. I don't like chickpeas on their own. Ew, no thank you, sorry, but I just don't. Oh my goodness, these are so good. In fact, I want to make some right now. I took some for lunch for work the other day. I had I believe I added the cinnamon spiced, and I had mixed them with the chickpeas. I had cooked them. I had added that to like cheese, crackers. It was so good, you guys. Try these. You will be entertaining, and people will be like, oh my God, how did you make these? You'll love them. Okay, last but not least, actually I have a couple other things in there. Our caramel sauce. You need this, you guys. Put this on popcorn, puddings. If you make your pumpkin spice loaf, you can put this on top. I'm going to make this tonight, and I'm going to show you guys, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do this. You don't need the unhealthy icing. Just put this on top. It's so good. I'm going to have it with my hot chocolate tonight. This sold out so quickly when we first introduced it about a month ago, so get it while you can. Couple other things. This isn't seasonal, but I just feel like I have to talk about it because it's so good. Our chocolate pudding. You could give one of these to your son's daughter's teacher. You know, they will love this. Give it to somebody who has not tried Epicure before, because if they're ever like, oh, okay, this looks easy enough, I'll make some pudding, they will love it. So good. And it's a bestseller. What else do I got in here, guys? You know, we have so many new products that I can't possibly talk about all of them. I did do an unboxing video, so check that out where I do talk about more. So I'll just do a couple more. So our speedy lasagna, who doesn't love lasagna, and tuna casserole. In one pot, make your tuna casserole dinner done in 20 minutes. Speedy lasagna, under 20 minutes. Check them out, you guys. These packs are perfect for new customers, for us, you know, too, right? Like, I love these packs because you never have to think, okay, what's for dinner? Just open up your cupboard, pick out a tuna casserole, read the back. It's so easy. It's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have questions, let me know. Have fun tasting. You will be cooking amazing things in no time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.